Hello options traders, welcome back everyone. And I wanted to post another quick video here in response to a question that somebody asked about hunting down unusual options activity in your broker's platform, and in this case, the E-Trade platform. And the thing that I just wanted to caution people about is that just because a platform flags a particular stock as being one associated with unusual options activity doesn't necessarily mean that it's some type of a buyout, merger, or acquisition. We have some more digging to do. And I just stumbled across a really good example of why you have to be careful with that. So let's flip over to the E-Trade platform and take a look at it. So here we are in the E-Trade platform, and to get to the scanner, you'll want to click on this link here that says Markets, and then you want to go to Live Action over here. There's a lot of different features, different ways we can do sorts, but let's start with the unusual activity right here at the top. The first one on the list here is unusual call volume, and it's going to show us the highest call volume today relative to the average. So we just come over here and click on Run, and right here at the top we have Eagle Materials, trading at about almost $71, up 11 cents, but we got this call volume over 10,000 contracts with an average call volume of 225, which is an increase of over 4,400%. And sometimes new traders look at this and they say, wow, something's really going on here. It's an acquisition. Let me go buy these call options. But you have to do some more digging. And this is not all the digging you have to do, but I just wanted to show you why you have to be careful about just picking whatever is on the list here and automatically assuming it's due to some sort of insider activity. So let's go back over to the trading platform and we'll type in our ticker symbol. Now this stock you can see only has quarterly expirations. We've got the front month, the near-term contract, and then 2 from the original expiration cycle. So we do not have weeklies here. So this will make it a little bit easier to filter through. But remember, if there's some type of unusual options activity due to a merger or a buyout, that it's going to show up in the near-term contracts, something close to today's date. So here we have February, 8 days till expiration. And we can see the volumes all the way down this list here, pretty close to zero. Got a 3 and an 11 down here, but nothing close to 10,000. So the activity didn't happen in this month. Let's go out to March. Again, entire column of zeros. Let's check April 18. Nothing going on here. Come out here to July. And look at this. We have 2,500 contracts here at the 60 strike. Keep in mind the stock is up here at almost 71. But I've got 2,500 contracts here at the 60 strike, another 2,500 here at 72.5, another 2,500 here at 80, and another 2,500 here at 85. So it's quite unusual to think that this is a coincidence that it was exactly the same number of contracts. It's probably the same person doing some type of strategy. Could be a type of a spread, could be just spreading it out through various strikes. There's a number of things that could be going on. First of all, we don't even know if these are long or short. We just know that it's volume. But you can see those 4 together added up give you your 10,000 contracts. And then we had another 15 trading somewhere else. And there's where the 10,015 were coming from today. So in this case, we're out 162 days until expiration. That is absolutely clearly not due to some type of insider activity. And then the second problem is they are at vastly different strikes. So you can see from just this simple step of trying to locate where the unusual option activity was, and if it's occurring at different strikes, then we have to question it and say this is probably not a good candidate, even though it showed up on our list. On the other hand, if it had shown up here in February and maybe been at the 72.5 strike, slightly out of the money, and all 10,000 contracts were here, that would probably be a different story. So the main thing to understand is that when you're using these searches like this, just because something comes up here to the top of the list, and here's our 10,015 call volume, doesn't mean you should just automatically go out and buy calls. You've got more digging to do. If you'd like to learn more about the art and science of options trading, please check out the Alpha Trader course and strategy lab at optionsa2z.com. Also, please join us on the Facebook trading group Options A to Z, and you can find a link in the description below.